Hello everyone. It's a pleasure to be part of this conclave. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm Yogesh Agarwal, CEO Daffodil Software. Daffodil Software was established in 1999 with a simple ideology to find innovative solutions to complex and large problems. We want to play a significant role in delivering progressive software solutions for our clients that help them to scale their business. Today, Daffodil Software is a technology partner to 100 plus organizations across the globe. With our roots into innovation, tech agility, and time proven processes, our team of 800 plus people help our customer elevate their value proposition through technology. We take pride in our ability to look beyond technologies and deliver innovative solutions. At the core of Daffodil lies a growth oriented culture and set of impeccable values that define and guide us in this journey to perfection. A testament to this fact is that our customers tend to stay with us for a very long time. They treat our employee as part of their extended family, and they include them in all the celebrations that they have at their end whenever they reach to a milestone. Recently, we also have been certified as Great Place to Work by GPTW organization. As a brand, we believe that we are equally responsible for success of our customers, which is why we consider them as our partners. We pass on best practices that we have learned over year of experience to our customer by working on their solution and help them to have an edge over their competition. Over the past 20 years, we have established a strong position in software development domain. We have worked with some of the most innovative startups and established Fortune 500 brands globally. More recently, we have also been trusted by Reserve Bank of India for a very complex artificial intelligence-based mobile app for blinds, which have received pretty well by the end users. We have also been trusted by National E-Governance Division for maintenance of Umang app, which is key part of our government's Digital India vision. We have dedicated research and development lab which help us continuously evaluate and adopt emerging technologies. This provides our client with a strategic advantage for the challenges that require breakthrough solutions. We also have built custom code libraries which are decoupled, usable, stable, and thoroughly tested that help us to build solution at 2x speed, which are more robust and also more usable. And we have segregated this service under a different brand which we call Unthinkable Software. Through this brand, we are helping our customers to reach market faster, to evolve their solution at 2x speed, and overall help them to take a distinctive edge over their competition. Again, in the end, I want to thank you for giving us this opportunity. I hope that everyone enjoys this conflict.